people he couldn't find homes. People rushed him out. He found in a box and a man, get him out of the box and threw him out. And people were in the mail stop. And the mail stop, he was in there laying in there because he could not find a home. And a friendly old person found him, and the little old boy said, "Mommy, can you take him home?" And she said, "No, I don't want a stinky old cat in my house." He looked at the water, and he saw how dirty he was, but he was so a friendly cat. Nobody found him. She found everyone, but nobody came to find him. It snowed and snowed and snowed. So he stayed in a light, and nobody could find him. Somebody had a dog, and the cat followed him wherever he went. But something glowed his eyes. That was very, very scary. Very, very scary. Hi, friendly old cat, to the man. What are you doing here? He had an owie on his tail because I think the black cat I saw last night bited me. And the dog got rid of the old man got rid of the dog and got the cat. And they walked around the cat, played the guitar, and the cat had food on the bowl, and he laid on and the kitty carried him, and the guy carried the cat all around. The end.